Mga igsoon, kumusta? Kung dili ang Santo Papa ang katumanan sa 666, ang pangutana, kinsa man diay. Sumala pa sa usa ka New Testament scholar nga si Dr. Bruce Metzger, siyang libro nga naguluhan, Breaking the Code, Understanding the Book of Revelation with Study Guide, page 76 to 77. Mao kini ang atong mabasa. Who is the satanic beast represented by the number 666? For hundreds of years, intelligent thinkers tried to answer this question. The tricky citation comes from the fact that ancient manuscripts of the Book of Revelation disclose 616 instead of 666. Emperor Nero is the most qualified to explain the cryptogram from the list of many popular personalities. We get 666 by adding the mathematical values in the Hebrew spelling of the name Neron Caesar. Since his name can be spelled without last N, if we omit the final N, the total will be 616. There is no other name or title that results to both 666 or 616. Busa, klaro og tinaw mo igsoon nga ang katumanan sa 666 mao si Emperor Nero sa Roma, dili ang Santo Papa. May the Almighty God bless us all.